But with the cases still high right now, people are looking for the best way to protect themselves and others from Omicron.
Health experts say that the best way to do that is to use one of those N95 or KN95 masks, and one city's handing them out for free.
We have team coverage on the mask distribution. We start tonight with Brittany Hope, who's in Rancho Cordova, where people have been picking up free masks, PPE, and other equipment and getting vaccinated. Brittany?
Yeah, actually, so the cutoff here was 7 o'clock, so things are just wrapping up. We're inside the Rancho Cordova City Hall, and I'll kind of step aside so you can see there's still a few folks who are finishing up those vaccines or sitting in that 15-minute waiting period that happens after you get that shot. For the past 4 hours, people here have been able to come to City Hall to get the vaccine and also to pick up that PPE. So this is what the inside of the vaccine clinic looked like a little bit earlier when there were more vaccinations happening. Rancho Cordova residents and business owners 5 years and older were eligible to roll up their sleeves and also enjoy some fun. There was face painting, balloons, some hot cocoa, stuff like that. Outside, though, free KN95 masks, disposable masks, hand sanitizer, and at-home COVID tests were all given out as well for free. Folks were grateful, especially with those at-home tests being harder to come by lately.
My daughter's in preschool. We've had to test 3 times already this month, so definitely worth having some on hand.
We did ask the city and organizers here if one of these PPE pass-outs will happen again. They say that will depend on the supply. As far as the vaccine clinics, we know they are happening almost 7 days a week. To get an appointment or to find a walk-in site near you, you can always go to the Sacramento County website. We're live in Rancho Cordova. Brittany Hope, KCRA 3 News.
And thank you. We're continuing our coverage now with more about how Rancho Cordova was able to give out thousands of KN95 masks, while many other communities don't have any of those to give to people.
Health experts have been urging people to wear those masks because of their higher level of protection, but they're not always easy to find. And KCRA 3 Investigates has been digging into this for weeks. Brittany Johnson now in the newsroom for us. So what did you find, Brittany?
Well, the city of Rancho Cordova told us in order to get those masks, it simply asked the state. The Chamber of Commerce contacted the Office of Emergency Services. Now, Brittany mentioned they were able to get 16,000 KN95 masks just for this event. Now, we reached out to the largest cities and counties in our area. Several didn't even know the masks were available. In a statement to KCRA, Placer County said it hasn't recently received any N95 masks from the state, saying should Cal OES make PPE available to local health departments for redistribution to general population, Placer County will be prepared to do so. In San Joaquin County, leaders there said they have been working continuously with the state to provide PPE. But the county said at this time, we are not aware of a plan for large PPE distributions. The county noted there is a PPE grant program available for nonprofits and businesses. Now in Sacramento County, which has been one of the strictest counties in our area with mask mandates, leaders said in a statement, quote, "We are waiting for details from the state as to how to request and who can request." Now, during last week's public health briefing, Dr. Olivia Casirier said N95 masks are only available in healthcare settings.
The supply of masks, the N95 masks that we have, we are really conserving to be able to use for healthcare systems and healthcare settings. And we do not have enough to be able to give out to the general public. We are aware of the announcement from the federal government of being able to give out masks. And definitely if an opportunity is presented to us where we are given access to masks that we can give out to the public, we will definitely make that announcement and use our partners to be able to give those masks out.
In our area, we know several chambers of commerce have put in orders for PPE from the state, including Stockton and Modesto. Stockton says it just received 21,000 KN95 masks. The Sacramento Metro Chamber of Commerce said it does not have plans to participate in this distribution of N95 masks. Now, we have asked them why not, and we're still waiting to hear back. Golston, Edie, back to you.
I think, you know, Brittany, with COVID case rates so high, people may be wondering why their cities or their counties are choosing not to get these masks to people.
That's right. Now, Cal OES says it may just be a lack of understanding here, saying plenty of masks are available. If counties want the masks for distribution, they just need to put in a request and tell the state how they will be used. For example, they could distribute them at local libraries or host a larger distribution event.
So it seems pretty simple here. These counties could have thousands of N95 masks available for free. They just need to call Cal OES.
Exactly, that is right. Now, Brian Ferguson with the communications department said he'll personally speak with anyone who needs help navigating this process.
All right, Brittany, thank you for helping to get that word out.